We're going to make a classic beef and noodle casserole that is out of this world. We're going to fry up 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We're going to add a diced onion and fry that up as well. We're going to add a couple teaspoons of minced garlic, and we're going to make sure that that heats up so it becomes very, very fragrant. There we go. That's looking really good. We're going to combine the garlic with the onion and hamburger. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt. And we are also going to add some ground black pepper to the meat mixture here. I've got my heat on about medium. And next up, we're going to bring in a Italian seasoning spice. We're going to put a teaspoon of Italian seasoning on top of the browned hamburger and onion. Up next is a can of diced tomatoes. We're going to pour that right on top. We're going to start mixing the ingredients here. I have it on a medium heat still. And then right behind the diced tomatoes, I'm going to add in a full can of tomato sauce into the mixture. We want this all to heat up real nicely. We're going to continue to combine all of the ingredients here with my spatula and make sure that it's mixed very, very well. And we're going to continue to let this simmer then after I mix it here for about 5 minutes. So here we go. We're going to let this simmer and heat up for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I am going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. And I'm going to get a clean mixing bowl, and I'm going to add 1 package of cream cheese softened to the mixing bowl. Right behind that, I'm going to add 1 cup of sour cream to the mixing bowl. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. We're going to combine all these ingredients together. And now we're going to start to prepare our 9x13 baking dish with a vegetable spray or any type of grease that you prefer. We have a full package of cooked egg noodles. These happen to be wide, and I'm going to take just a few of the noodles and spread a thin layer across the greased 9x13 pan just so that the bottom's covered. I'm going to grab our mixing bowl with our cheese mixture, and I'm going to just place spoonfuls of the mixture all over the 9x13 pan. We're going to get it kind of spread out here so that it'll melt down evenly. And we're going to use up all of this mixture in this layer of the casserole. And there we go. We're going to come back with the additional noodles that we had cooked, and we're going to spread those over the top of the cheese mixture. And we're going to use up all of the noodles. And now it's time for us to add our meat mixture that we had simmering on the stove. And we're just going to drape that over the whole 9x13 as the final layer of the classic beef and noodle casserole here. So we're just going to kind of spread that out to make sure it's even. And we have 1 cup of mozzarella cheese left in our measuring cup, and we're going to just garnish the top of the casserole before we place it into the oven. All right, we have complete here the classic beef and noodle casserole here. Woo, does it ever smell divine? Let's take a piece of this here. We're going to have to taste test it. Look at that. Oh my, that looks so good. That cheese. All right. Let's test drive this dish together. Oh yeah. That sour cream and cream cheese makes this one 100% delicious casserole. Pretty easy. It's going to feed a big group, very budget friendly, and I'd say, hey, this one's for the books. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.